What is Web 3.0? Web 3 definition. Definition of Web 3.0, 2.0, and 1.0. Web 1.0 is the text-based or read-only web, Web 2.0 is the participatory or social web, and Web 3.0 is the open, decentralized, and immersive web. Web 1.0 was the foundation of the web, and it consisted of static text and images. The next generation, Web 2.0, was defined by interaction and social media. Web 3.0 is the third iteration of the web, defined by open technologies like blockchain and immersive experiences like the metaverse. Web 1.0. The defining characteristic of Web 1.0 was static web pages with no interactivity. You went to a website and read information, the experience was passive. You can see the very first web page of Web 1.0 here. Web 2.0. Web 2.0 created spaces for sharing and interactivity, ushering in a new model far beyond the limitations of static web pages. The defining difference between Web 1 versus Web 2 is the two-way flow of information. People started interacting with websites by sharing information or creating their own content. Think of platforms like Amazon, Google, Facebook, and Twitter, as well as online shopping sites, web forums, peer-to-peer gaming sites, and other social media. Web 3.0 is meant to be decentralized, open to everyone, with a bottom-up design, and built on top of blockchain technologies and developments in the semantic web, which describes the web as a network of meaningfully linked data. Web 3.0 envisions a world without centralized companies, where people are in control of their own data and transactions are transparently recorded on blockchains, or databases searchable by anyone. Web 2.0 versus Web 3.0. The main distinctions between Web 2.0 and Web 3.0 involve data storage, connectivity, currency, and decentralization. Web 2.0 is about creating content and interacting with websites. Web 3.0 means immersing yourself in the digital experience, and it involves concepts like individual control of personal data, cryptocurrency, and decentralized record keeping on the blockchain. Whereas Web 2.0 operates on fiat money, Web 3.0 relies on cryptocurrencies and a decentralized finance, DeFi, model. This is part of the decentralization objective, which shifts control from centralized companies or governments to users or the collective. The premise of decentralization extends beyond currency, covering everything from apps to data. Features of Web 3.0. Some Web 3.0 technologies have already emerged, such as the decentralized concept that underpins blockchain. Blockchain technology was created to facilitate cryptocurrency, the digital currencies that are decentralized, not controlled by central banks, and that are set to play a large role in Web 3.0. Known as Web 3.0 cryptos, these currencies, and other digital assets like NFTs, will be used to incentivize users and service providers, letting people transact directly with one another without having to go through third parties like conventional banks. Ubiquity. The definition of ubiquity in terms of Web 3.0 refers to the idea that the internet should be accessible from anywhere, through any platform, on any device. If Web 3.0 is ubiquitous, it means it is not limited. Web 3.0 is not meant for the few, it is meant for the many. In Web 3.0, anyone can engage from anywhere, and they can contribute through open source software. Web 3.0 envisions a truly decentralized internet, where connectivity is based completely on peer-to-peer network connections. This decentralized web will rely on blockchain to store data and maintain digital assets without being tracked. Instead of being maintained by a single server, decentralized apps are maintained by a network of computers. DeFi enables users to invest, save, and ultimately replace pre-existing financial institutions and their top-down modus operandi. Artificial intelligence. Web 3.0 leans on artificial intelligence, AI, to develop computers that can understand the meaning or context of user requests and answer complex requests more quickly. Increasingly intelligent chatbots will be able to support multiple consumers at once, with far more accuracy than current standards. Web 3.0 applications incorporate AI and machine learning technology. Siri is a good example of an app employing Web 3.0 technology. Apple's AI assistant lets users control their surroundings and devices with voice commands. Another popular Web 3.0 app currently in use is the web browser Brave, which connects participants with dApps, their crypto wallets, and other Web 3.0 technology. Examples of Web 3.0 in real life. Web 3.0 websites and Web 3.0 apps are already here. You've likely heard of them in the media, such as the costly examples of cryptojacking. Or, you may have already interacted with Web 3.0 applications, such as an Internet of Things appliance. Perhaps you've even explored the possibilities and meaning of the metaverse. Blockchain technology, a decentralized record of transactions that are stored on a huge number of computers across the Internet. All transactions can be publicly viewed, rely on sophisticated encryption, and are permanent.